The revolutionary pivot NRM youths weaponized Mao's reforms to challenge CEC authority. A significant shift is occurring within the ruling party's ecosystem. Pro-government youth wings, specifically the NRM Revolutionary Network, are now using the cover of Norbert Mao's electoral reforms to stage a procedural rebellion against the party's traditional power center, the Central Executive Committee, CEC. The core demand caucus over CEC. According to the digital mobilization posters, there is a direct confrontation with NRM's top-down leadership style. The NRM Revolutionary Network has issued a clear ultimatum regarding the upcoming speakership race. The position, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Parliament flag bearers must be decided by the full NRM Parliamentary Caucus. The target, according to post by Remy Derobi, the youths are explicitly saying no to CEC endorsement, demanding a fair race where all NRM MPs participate. The logic, activists argue that for a fair race, all NRM MPs must fully participate in selecting their leaders, rather than having candidates vetted or imposed by the 20+ members of the CEC. The strategic alignment with Mao's Electoral College proposal. According to the Electoral College proposal infographic, the NRM Revolutionary Network is backing a revolutionary reform that fundamentally changes how Uganda is governed. The proposal, a transition to a parliamentary system of government, the mechanism, citizens elect MPs, right arrow MPs elect the president. The justification, according to the network's official statement, this allows for competent MPs to digest the manifestos of various parties, NRM, NUP, DP, FDC, etc., rather than relying on a general population vote. The connection, if the president is to be elected by MPs in the future, the Speaker of Parliament becomes the most powerful gatekeeper in the country. Therefore, the youths believe the caucus, the MPs, must start exercising their power now by choosing their own speaker. No emotion. The Mao M7 speaker triangle. According to a viral dialogue shared by Duncan Abigaba, a fictionalized but politically charged exchange depicts the tension between the incumbent leadership and the reformist agenda. The conflict. The speaker expresses concern that Mao is encroaching on our role based on a 10-year transition agreement. The response. The general, that is the president's brother Saleh, defers to the rules of parliament, stating, let MPs be the ones to decide. The implication, this suggests a growing narrative that the president may be stepping back to allow a neutral evolution or clash between the old guard and the reformers. Bear in mind, this is just a created inside story posted on Twitter. Key players in the revolutionary frame. According to the Speakership Revolutionary Reforms Gallery, 4 figures define this debate. Anita Mong, the incumbent, fighting to maintain her seat and the 10-year NRM tradition. Norbert Mao, the Justice Minister, whose electoral reforms report is ready and awaiting the president's stamp, according to Mulengera News. The reformers, as alternative candidates, representing the push for a new NRM that prioritizes institutional rules over elite endorsements. Implications, a coup of procedure. According to the collective messaging of these mobilization structures, the NRM is entering a period of internal power engineering. Diminishing CEC influence, successful defiance by the caucus would mark the end of an era where the party's old guard decides the national agenda behind closed doors. The Mao-ization of NRM. By adopting Mao's parliamentary president model, the NRM prepares for a post-direct election era where they can use their parliamentary majority to retain power indefinitely. Intellectual mobilization. According to the NRM Revolutionary Network, this is an opportunity for Ugandans to elect MPs who are capable of deep policy engagement rather than just popularity contest. The conclusion, according to the evidence provided, the NRM is currently a house divided by its own revolutionary rhetoric. The youths are backing Mao's constitutional changes because it empowers the parliament. Yes, as for now, things may change tomorrow, money and so on going on, but they are simultaneously using that empowerment to strip the party leadership, that CEC, of its veto power over who leads that parliament. Thank you.